Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on configuring end-to-end encryption for your organization with Xeams. But before we start, let's demystify some of the key concepts. We will first discuss the two encryption methods, and then different password creation options. There are two ways to send an encrypted email. This table talks about these methods and their benefits. When utilizing the web-based solution, the recipient of the encrypted message must sign into your Xeams web interface to access their messages. They can also compose a quick reply if necessary. As they will be connecting to your Xeams web interface, it's vital to ensure you have a valid SSL certificate in Xeams and that it's running on port 443. A public-facing web interface or a valid SSL certificate is optional if you choose the PDF option, which is why it is the default method. Regardless of your chosen method, the recipient will need a password to view the message. Xeams offers the following methods for this purpose. From the sender's perspective, the most common and convenient method is to let the recipient create a password. The first time an encrypted email is sent out, the recipient will be prompted to create a password on your Xeams server. If you choose this option, you will need a public-facing web interface for your Xeams, even if you use the PDF method for encryption. Alternatively, you can create passwords for the recipients as an administrator. This option is useful when you have a finite number of recipients. Consider a scenario when a doctor's office needs to send a medical report to their patient. You can create a password for every person who gets these reports. Finally, the sender can put the password enclosed in brackets along with the trigger word. This option only works when using the PDF method. Now let's see how you can configure these options in Xeams. First, click Plugins and then click the Manage button for end-to-end encryption. Similar to many parameters, clicking this link will display some helpful tips. Ensure the feature is enabled. The trigger word enables end-to-end encryption for outbound emails when found in the subject line. Check this box if you want to switch to the web-based method. The system will use PDF when this box is not checked. This is the number of days emails are retained on your Xeams when using the web-based method. This value is not applicable when using PDF. The last set of fields ensures end-to-end encryption is enforced if sensitive data is found. For example, you would want to force the sender to use end-to-end encryption if a credit card number is found in the email. Well, this is it. Click the Submit button once you're done. That concludes this short video on configuring end-to-end encryption for your organization. Contact our support department if you have questions regarding this or any other feature in Xeams.